I guess the lessons for auditors, and just thinking about it, is really you've got to use all your faculties as a human that we have. We've got eyes and eyes of seeing what's in front of you, but also seeing beyond what's in front of you. Ears, in terms of listening, picking up on signals, things that might be of concern. I talk about having a nose for audit as well, and developing a nose. So we've got the eyes, ears, we've got the nose. If you smell something fishy, then it's probably a fish, and you want to follow that. You need to follow that and actually make sure that you're happy after that. So you've got the brain, of course, which is pulling all this together from your other senses and trying to join the dots and actually see, well, you know, are they all giving me a consistent message? What am I seeing here? Really, the brain is helping to formulate really good questions, and that's what an auditor needs to do. The best questions aren't often the first question, it's the next question, it's the probing question. So it's having listened to what you hear, it's the probing question from that will reveal something interesting. Until you're happy, I guess the message is you've got to be relentless in a professional way around getting the answers that you want and that makes sense. And the mouth is it will verbalise the questions to articulate very clearly what you're asking, and then keeping that conversation going. All of that maybe together gives you a gut instinct whether there's a problem or not, and more often than not you go with your gut. Firstly, obviously you go to somebody more senior. So you're on the job, maybe you're working with a senior, you're a junior auditor, you're working with a senior, then you'd go to them and say, look, this is what I've found and this is why I'm uneasy. This is what's given me that gut feeling that's making me uneasy. They've had more experience than you. Sometimes there's a valid reason for it. When that isn't the case, then obviously it's got to get elevated further. So we should be talking to managers, partners, when your gut says there's something wrong. The important thing is, don't ignore it. If you're feeling that feeling, don't ignore it, or don't think, hey, this is probably just because I'm a junior and I don't really understand. Tell them, and then we'll go from there.